In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact meta ads strategy that you can use to scale a Skool community from 0 to 10K in monthly recurring revenue. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff so you can build online businesses that actually work. This video is about growth, rapid growth, predictable growth driven almost entirely by meta ads. So by the end, you'll understand how to structure your offer, build your funnel, create profitable ads, test the right variables, and turn cold traffic into paying members who stick around long enough to push you past 10K MRR. Let's get into it. Why meta ads work so well for Skool communities. So before we jump into the tactics, here's the core idea behind this whole strategy. A Skool community is a high lifetime value product. Meta ads are low CAC acquisition channel. When you combine these two things correctly, you get a predictable, scalable MRR machine. Now, most creators and community builders struggle because they grow purely through organic content. It works, but it's slow. With meta ads, you can get 20, 50, 100, even 300 new people per week into your world without spending your life posting on social media. And unlike offers that rely on one-time sales, a paid Skool community compounds. Each new member increases your MRR, which increases your budget, which increases your reach. So that's how you get to 10K MRR without grinding yourself to death. Step 1, build an offer that works with ads. All right, let's start with the foundation here. You cannot scale with ads if your offer is vague or built on community vibes. People don't join a Skool group because you're cool. They join because you solve a burning problem for them. Your offer needs 3 things. The first one being a specific identity. Freelance designers, beginner agency owners, Etsy sellers, weight loss beginners, real estate agents. You get the idea. Next, I need a specific goal. Not level up, not learn business. Get your first 5 clients. Lose 20 pounds. Launch your first offer. Charge premium prices. Land more listings, build your book of business, and lastly, a clear path. Your membership should give people a community, accountability, frameworks, coaching or Q&A, and a roadmap. Your ads will heavily lean on this path, so it needs to be real. So the offer isn't the community. The offer is the transformation. This is why it's easier to scale a niche Skool group than a general self-improvement club. Paid traffic loves clarity. Step 2, your meta ads funnel, the 10K MRR engine. So here's the exact funnel that works best for Skool right now. Number 1, add to free Skool group. The easiest, lowest friction offer. Your ad invites them into a free Skool community around a specific transformation. Step 2, free group to the warm-up content. Once they join, they see your welcome post, they get a quick win. They see others engaging. They start consuming your frameworks. Step 3, warm to paid membership. Now, after they've interacted with a few posts and gotten value, you introduce the paid membership as the deeper level or the next step. Why this works. Unlike old Skool lead magnets where people join and never open your email, a Skool group actually feels like a community. They see posts, they see wins, they see momentum. This warms them up faster and more effectively than email sequences alone. Your ad is the front door. Your free group is the living room. Your paid membership is the master bedroom. Simple, clean, scalable. Step 3, the meta ad strategy that actually works. Everything from this point on is what gets you from 0 to 10K MRR. So let's break it down. The hook. What makes people stop scrolling? If your hook sucks, nothing else matters. Here are the hooks that convert like crazy for Skool funnels. If your identity, trying to goal, listen to this. Most identity are doing this completely wrong. I'll show you how we took this community from 0 to 10K MRR in 90 days. If you can't get clients, it's probably because of one of these 3 mistakes. I built a free community for identity who want to goal. Notice something here? It's not hype. It's not clickbait. It's clarity. Meta rewards clarity. So let your hook slice through the feed like a knife. So here's some more examples. If you've been trying to grow your business but nothing seems to stick, this is for you. If you're stuck under $3,000 per month in your service business, watch this. You'll never hit consistent revenue if you keep making this one mistake. I'm gonna save you 6 to 12 months of frustration. Just listen to this. 3.2, the angle, why they should care. So an angle is the underlying story or belief behind your ad. So here are the 3 best angles for Skool ads. Angle 1, they're doing it the hard way. Most new freelancers are stuck on Upwork undercharging. Here's the easier way. Angle 2, I struggled with this too. When I started out, I had no roadmap. That's why I built this community. Angle 3 is mini win inside the ad. So give them a useful tip right away. Then say, if that helped, the free group will blow your mind. This positions you as the solution without sounding salesy. Creatives. What actually works in today's algorithm? All right, so right now the best performing creatives for Skool funnels are face-to-camera UGC style videos. So low production, high authenticity. This is the #1 format for community builders. 2, text wall ads. Think a meaningful paragraph over a simple background. These are cheap, easy, and Meta loves them. 3, infographic or framework ads. Carousels breaking down key mistakes, your roadmap, simple frameworks. These ads attract people who want real help, not dopamine. Pro tip, you don't need fancy editing here. In fact, too much polish can hurt your performance. What your ad should actually say. All right, so here's the winning formula. Hook, pain, insight, invite. Starting with the hook. If you're a new agency owner trying to get your first 5 clients, listen to this. Pain. Most beginners are stuck cold DMing 200 people a day with no system. Insight. What actually works is building an offer that people understand and a repeatable outreach process. Invite. I put together a free Skool group where I teach you the exact steps. Join here. Keep it simple, don't overthink it. Targeting that won't burn your budget. All right, here's the truth. Meta is so advanced now that detailed targeting is overrated. Start with broad audiences or one simple interest stack, or even no interest at all if your creative is strong. Let your content attract the right people. There's no need for 17 ad sets. You're building a membership, not drop shipping. Budget, testing, and scaling to 10K MRR. All right, so here's a simple, scalable plan. Start at $10 to $20 per day with 2 to 3 creatives and 1 to 2 angles. Test this for 3 to 5 days. If you get affordable clicks, cheap group joins, people engaging inside the group, then scale that creative. For scale, add $10 to $20 every few days. Kill ads when CPC is trash, cost per join is too high, engagement from those joins is low. Double down when people join, people comment, people ask questions, people upgrade. This is where MRR compounds. Retargeting, turning warm leads into paid members. Set up a small retargeting campaign at $5 to $10 per day. Retarget people who watched your ad, people who visited your landing page, people who joined your free Skool group but didn't upgrade, and show them testimonials, frameworks, member wins, your personal story. Retargeting is cheap, warm, and insanely profitable for communities. Step 4, optimize your free group for conversion. Remember, the ads bring people in. The free group closes them. Here's what your free community must have. A killer welcome post with a start here resource. Quick wins, short lessons, checklists, templates. Regular engagement. Host a Q&A. Share wins and ask questions. Proof that your method works. So testimonials, screenshots, before and after stories. A clear upgrade path. The paid membership that gets you to 10K MRR. All right, so to hit 10K MRR, you need 200 people at $50 per month or 100 people at $100 per month. Most creators go with a $49 to $99 membership to start. Remember, you're providing community, frameworks, coaching or Q&A, accountability, clarity. People will pay for clarity. You can always raise the price later. Step 6, track the numbers that actually matter. So you don't need 20 different dashboards. You need 3 main numbers. The first one is cost per free group join. You want to aim for $2 to $8-ish depending on your niche and how much you're charging for your paid community. 2, free to paid conversion rate. Aim for 5 to 15% over 30 to 45 days. 3, churn. Aim for less than 10% monthly churn once stable. These 3 metrics tell you everything you need to know. Step 7, scale with referrals and affiliation. Skool's built-in affiliate program is a cheat code. When your members start recommending Skool, you earn 40% commissions. You also earn every time your members bring someone into your paid group. Referrals plus ads equal a multiplier effect. So building a 10K MRR Skool community using meta ads isn't magic. It's a simple system. Clear offer, a frictionless free group, a powerful meta ads strategy, creatives that feel authentic, a warm-up experience inside the community, a clear upgrade path into the paid membership. So ads bring the audience, your group brings the trust, and your membership brings the revenue. So this is how you go from 0 to 10K MRR predictably without posting 10 times a day or paying for virality. Now, if you want to start with your very own Skool community, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.